A very warm good morning to all of you. Today, we are going to do an experiment germination of seeds. We had already read about germination of seeds in chapter number 5 and in chapter number 19. Let's recall what was the meaning of germination. Germination means sprouting or growth from the seeds. Or, in other words, you can say growth of baby plant from a seed. Also, we had read various facts about seeds, like seeds have different structure, different texture, different color, different shape. Also, there are various kind of seeds like rajma seed, chana seed, and fenugreek, etc. Okay. So, proceeding towards the next topic, question arises how seeds grow. So, for that, we are going to do one experiment. For this experiment, our aim is to germinate the seed. Also, we require some material to conduct the experiment. For example, a container, chickpeas, seeds, fertile soil, water, and sunlight. First step is take a container, fill it with good soil. Here, good soil means fertile soil that is suitable for growing plants. Step 2 is sow some chana seeds in it. As we are doing the experiment for chana seeds, or you can say chickpea seeds, that's why we are sowing chana seeds in it. If we want to sow a mango plant, if we want mango plant, then we should sow the seeds of mangoes. Okay. Next step is keep a pot at some warm place where the plant can get enough sunlight. Next step is keep watering your plant every day. Do you remember we read about various conditions that are required for germination of seed? For example, we require proper amount of water, sunlight, proper space, and also fertile soil. If any of the one ingredient would be missing, then plant will not grow. Also, you must be remembering that seeds grow only if they get proper amount of conditions. If all the seeds fall from the parent plant to the ground and do not get enough amount of water, sunlight, or space, fertile soil, then they will not germinate. Now, what we will observe in this when we grow a plant? We will observe that in week 1, sprouting will start. In week 2, plant will be fully sprouted. In week 3, leaves will start to emerge as we had seen in the video. And by week 4, plant will grow more speedily. So, what we can conclude or what result we will get after doing the experiment, that is your under proper condition seeds germinate. Before winding up, I would like to inform you for writing the experiment in science, you have to follow these steps. These steps should be in chronological order. For example, you must write your aim first. What is the aim of doing that experiment? Why you are conducting this experiment? What do you want to find out? Then you have to write what is the material required for the same. Until and unless you will have all the ingredients, you cannot do the experiment. So, it is very necessary to mention all the material required in the experiment. After writing what are the material required, you have to write what is the procedure, how you are going to do that experiment, what steps you are going to follow to do that experiment. And after that, what you have observed while doing the experiment have to be mentioned. Once you write the observation, you have to write what result you get. And remember, it is very important to draw diagrams of that experiment. Diagrams should be well labeled and colored also. I hope now this experiment is clear to you. Thank you.